Thank you, Christy. An upstate teen is suing his school district after he says a drug test stopped his high school football career. But his lawyer says this is a statewide issue and it needs to be addressed. 7 News reporter Brianna Smith is in our studio with that story new at 5. Brianna.
Yeah, hey, Amy, the issue here can be boiled down to one word: ineligible, a status that can halt a child's entire athletic future. In Anderson District 5, if you're taking hits under the Friday night lights, you're also subject to a drug test. In 2014, District 5 added a policy to this handbook requiring students and extracurriculars to be subject to a random drug test, which is why Chuck Allen is now involved.
Because he's a rising senior, it would effectively end his career as a high school student athlete.
Allen's client, a minor football player, was subjected to drug tests after being charged for possession of marijuana that were later dropped. This lawsuit claims that the drug test didn't follow policy by not taking a split sample.
You have a second sample that is available to go to an independent lab for further testing, and that is the reason the split samples are very important.
With no appeal possible, the student was deemed ineligible for athletics, which bars him from playing at any school in the state.
Not only ineligible in the local district, he's ineligible statewide, and there's probably 400 or 500 high schools statewide.
Which Allen finds is the problem. How can a small handful of school districts requiring drug tests set the standard for the entire state?
It kind of shines a light on maybe some lack of equity, the way the thing's applied.
If the State High School League tells me they are not budging on the policy, ineligible means ineligible.
Well, Brianna, clearly there's a lot more to come on this case. What comes next?
Yeah, the teen's lawyers actually asked for a temporary injunction, Amy, so that he can play football this fall. The judge's decision on that injunction is expected soon.
Wofford